Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the topic joint stock company in the chapter form of business organization. What is joint stock company? The company form organization is considered to be most suitable for organizing business activities on large scale. It has advantage of attracting huge capital from the public. With adequate capital, it can be employed, trained and experienced manager to run the business activities efficiently. So, what is the feature of joint stock company? The following points are the features of joint stock company form of organization. First, separate legal existence. A company has a separate legal entity. Company can be carry on a business its own name. It can buy, sell asset its own name. It can enter into the contract without outsider its own name. The company its members separate individually. Next, artificial persons company does not have the physical body like a natural human being. It is a artificial person created by law. Its operations are performed by the elected representative of a member known as director, although business is run in the name of the company. Next, registration. It is legally compulsory for the company to get itself registered under the Company Act 1956. Without registration, no company can come into the existence. And next, proportional suggestions. A company has a continuous existence independent of its member. A company is created by law, and only law can bring an end to its existence. The death, insolvency, incapacity of any member does not affect the existence of company. The member may come and member may be go, but the company goes on forever. The life of company can come to be end through the legal procedure of winding up. Another point, that is common seal. Being artificial person, the company cannot sign. Therefore, there is a need for a common seal with the name of engraved on it. The activities of the company are carried through the group of people. Anyone acting on the behalf of a company can use common seal in place of signature of the company to bind the company. Any document which does not bear the common seal of the company not binding on the company. Next, transferability of share. The capital of the company is divided into a share. The share of the company are fairly transferred by its member. A shareholder is free to withdraw his membership from the company by selling his share. The share of private limited companies cannot easily transferred. Next, separation of ownership and control. The company form of business owned by the shareholder. These shareholders acted the representative who are called director of the company. The director manage control the activity of the company by appointing the professional expert. Next, limited liabilities. The liabilities of a member of the company is limited to the existence of their share capital contribution in the company. For example, if a person has a purchased 1,000 share of the 10 value of 10 rupees is, then the liabilities are up to the 10,000 only. The merit and dismerit we will study in the next video. Thank you.